Hey everyone, I am Dax Patel and welcome back to the our STL series. So in this question we are doing a searching in vector. So we have imported our vector, also algorithm for searching in the vector. We created a boolean a function for find element in a vector. So in this we use a auto but it and number is equal to the first or beginning, so it can return the value of it. And in the main function we declare a vector 10, 20, 30, 40 and a search value. Okay, and then take the input from user C in and return a if else condition if the number match or if the number not match, and then return. So let's the run and check the output. So I entered the 10. Okay, 10 found in the vector, so I already added 10. It's working. Okay, thank you.